Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is adjective. When we meet someone, we pass on some comments according to the personality of the person. For example, that person was tall or short or interesting or boring or skinny or fat. All these words that I have used to describe the personality of the person are adjectives. So how these words are called as an adjective? For this, let's discuss about the definition of adjective. Adjectives are words used to describe or modify the noun or pronoun. So the words that I have used, tall, short, interesting, boring, fat, skinny, all these words we use to describe the personality of a person. So the person is a noun. So we can say that when we describe or modify the personality of a person, which means either we praise or we say bad words about the person, all these things come under this topic adjective. I think it's clear so far that in adjective we describe the quality or disquality of a noun. Let's move towards the degrees of adjective. So here, what is the meaning of the degree? जब किसी चीज़ का लेवल बढ़ जाता है तो हम कहते हैं कि इसकी डिग्री बढ़ गई है. So we can say that degree means we are upgrading the level. So we have 3 degrees of adjective. So number 1 we have absolute degree or positive degree. Second we have comparative degree, and third we have superlative degree. Let's discuss about the absolute degree or a positive degree first. So the words that I used in the beginning, tall, short, interesting, boring, skinny, fat, all these words are called absolute degree or positive degree, or you may say that कोई भी लफ्ज़ जो हम सुनते हैं जो किसी की खूबी या खामी को बयान करता है वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री में आता है. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो इन डिग्रीज वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द लेवल. एज इफ इन एब्सोल्यूट डिग्री आई सेज असलम इज टॉल, जिसमें मैंने ये कहा कि असलम लंबा है. लेकिन अगर मुझे इस बात का लेवल बढ़ाना है तो ये हो जाएगा असलम इज taller than Amjad. In first example, I said Aslam is tall, Aslam lamba hai. But in second example, I said Aslam is taller than Amjad, जिसमें मैंने उसका लेवल बढ़ा दिया कि वो अमजद से भी ज़्यादा लंबा है. So in comparative degree, we compare two things together. ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री थी जिसके आखिर में मैंने ER लगा के उसका लेवल इंक्रीज कर दिया. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में हम ER का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एज इफ आई हैव रिटन एग्जाम्पल्स टॉलर, बिगर, मोर ब्यूटिफुल. बट द क्वेश्चन इज इन दीज टू वर्ड्स आई हैव यूज्ड ER एट द एंड ऑफ tall and big. But why did I use more over there with beautiful? So the answer is, with one syllabic word, we use R or ER, but with the syllables 2 or more than 2, we'll be using the word more. So one more question comes, what is the meaning of syllable? Division of the word would be called as an syllable. For example, we have a word tall. We cannot divide it into 2 syllables so as we have big, but the word is beautiful, which means beauty is a separate word, full is a separate word. This word has more than 2 syllables, that's why we have used the word more. With that, now let's discuss about the superlative degree, which means बेहतरीन, इससे ज़्यादा बेहतर या इससे ज़्यादा बुरा कुछ भी नहीं. इसके आखिर में हम EST का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसा कि taller, that would become tallest, bigger, biggest. Then how are we going to change more into superlative degree? So we will change more into most. That would become most beautiful. We have an example of superlative degree. Aslam is the tallest boy in the class, which means कि इससे ज़्यादा लंबा क्लास में लड़का मौजूद नहीं है. Let's have a quick review. In adjective, we describe the quality or disquality of a noun. We have degrees of adjective. First one we have absolute or positive degree. Second we have comparative degree. Then we have superlative degree. एब्सोल्यूट डिग्री वो डिग्री है जो कि हम नॉर्मल इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री जब हमें किसी दो चीज़ों का या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों का मुवाजना करना हो तो हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड वी यूज़ ER एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें लासानी होने का बताना हो. एंड इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री वी यूज़ EST एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. So we have this exercise of adjective on page number 156. Supply suitable adjectives in the following sentences. Number 1 we have, the dash man does not have a place to live. The poor man does not have a place to live. Number 2, he is an small dash child. I have written the word small over there. You may describe noun or pronoun according to you. This is a good book. Karachi is a big city. A hand has 4 fingers. All men must die. I have not eaten roast meat. There are not small plates on the table. Unripe mangoes are sour. I like warm jerseys. In this exercise, we have used absolute degree of adjective. We have exercise number 2 on page number 157. Here we are going to use the degrees of adjective. Use the correct form of the adjective in the following sentences. Number 1 we have, she is dash then I. The word than shows that they are comparing she with I. So here we are going to use comparative degree, and we have learned this thing that in comparative degree we use ER. They have given us word that we have to change according to the usage. So that would be, she is prettier than I. Second we have, my father is dash than Ali's father. All is in bracket. Again it is a comparison between my father and Ali's father. So we are going to use comparative degree. My father is older than Ali's father. Number 3 we have, my father is the dash man in the town. Rich is in bracket. In this sentence they have used the third degree, which means that there is no match of my father in the town. My father is the superlative than all. So we are going to use superlative degree. My father is the richest man in town. Number 4, your composition is the dash of all. Bad is in bracket. Again we are going to use third degree. Comparative degree of bad would be worse, and the superlative degree would be worst. Your composition is the worst of all. She is dash than her sister. Beautiful is in bracket, and that is a comparison. She is more beautiful than her sister. Number 6, this is the dash tree in the garden, which means that this tree has no match in the garden. We are going to use third degree. This is the tallest tree in the garden. Number 7, he was carrying the dash load of all. Heavy is in bracket. Third degree we are going to use, he was carrying the heaviest load of all. Number 8, the water of this well is dash. Sweet is in bracket. In this sentence, neither they have shown comparative degree nor superlative. In this sentence, we are going to use positive degree. The water of this well is sweet. Number 9, we have, she is a dash woman. Wise is in bracket. So we are going to use positive degree. She is a wise woman. Number 10, this is the dash question of all. Difficult is in bracket, so here we are going to use superlative degree. This is the most difficult question of all. Number 11, prevention is dash then cure, good is in bracket. Wherever they have used the word than, we are going to use comparative degree. So the comparative degree of good is better. Prevention is better than cure. Number 12, she is dash than her elder sister. Wise is in bracket. Again, they have shown the comparison. She is wiser than her elder sister. Number 13, he is the dash of all the brothers. Tall is in bracket. Third degree we are going to use. He is the tallest of all the brothers. Number 14, she is the dash girl I have ever seen. Sweet is in bracket. So we are going to use comparative degree. She is the sweetest girl I have ever seen. There are some comparatives which are followed by to instead of than. She is senior to me. I am junior to her. This pen is superior to that. This painting is inferior to that.